Good morning, student. In last period, we learned a new chapter start, that is acids, base, and salt. We learned about acid, base, and salt. That the acids are sour in taste, and chemical nature of acids are acidic. The word acid coming from the Latin language. In Latin, the acer means sour in taste. So, in our surrounding, the food item which are sour in taste contain acids. Then we learn about the base, and we said that base are bitter in taste and soapy on touch. Example of base are soap and detergent. Chemical nature of base are basic. Another chemicals called salt are also we learned that salts are neither acidic nor basic. They are neutral in chemical nature. Example of salts are sugar, salt, etc. Now, today we learn the acids and base which are naturally occur in nature or easily found in our daily use. So, on table given in your textbook that the name of acid. These acids are organic acids, and the natural source of these acids. First one is ascorbic acid. Second name of ascorbic acid is vitamin C. Vitamin C is ascorbic acid, and vitamin C or ascorbic acid is found in amla, which are sour in taste. Citrus fruit. Citrus fruits means yellow color fruit which are sour in taste, like lemon, orange, etc. are citrus fruit. So citrus fruit and amla contain ascorbic acid, that is vitamin C. Another natural acid is citric acid. Citric acid is found in citrus fruit, that is the fruit of yellow covering and sour in taste, such as lemon, orange, etc. are citrus fruit. So lemon and orange contain citric acid as well as ascorbic acid. Third acid is lactic acid. Lactic acid is found in the curd, which we use as a food item. We know that curd is little bit sour in taste because curd contains acid, and the name of the acid present in the curd is lactic acid. Another acid is tartaric acid. Tartaric acid is found in tamarind, grapes, and unripe mango. Kacha aam, khatti amli, and kachi drax contain tartaric acid. So, the tartaric acid is found in tamarind, grapes, and unripe mango. Unripe mango, grapes, and tamarind contain tartaric acid. Another acid is acetic acid. Acetic acid is found in vinegar. Vinegar is a liquid which is used to preserve pickles and which is also used to prepare Manchurian. This is the vinegar which is sour liquid of a sour taste which contain acetic acid. So acetic acid is contained in the vinegar. Vinegar is nothing but a dilute form of acetic acid. Another acid is oxalic acid. Spinach, palak paneer, we prepared the veg curry of palak paneer. The palak contains acid and name of the acid present in the palak, that is spinach, is oxalic acid. Another acid is formic acid. On sting, chinti या तो bee sting, honey bee, when we bite, it produce a burning pain on our skin due to the acid release on our skin with its sting and inject acid. That acid is formic acid. So formic acid is present in ant sting and bee sting. So these are some natural acid and its source. In this way, some bases are also found surrounding us, like sodium hydroxide. Sodium hydroxide. We know that all hydroxide are base. Sodium hydroxide found in soap. Generally in detergent soap, sodium hydroxide is found. The soap used to clean cloth, sodium hydroxide is present in such type of soap, detergent balm. Ammonium hydroxide, the other, is found in window cleaning solution. Window cleaning solution means in the window, the glass is fitted on the frame of window, and to clean this glass, one solution is used. This solution is ammonium hydroxide, which is base and used as a window cleaner. Therefore, ammonium hydroxide is a window cleaner which is base. Calcium hydroxide, which is found in lime water. Lime water means lime dissolved in water, clear water, in which some lime is dissolved, is called a lime water. That is calcium hydroxide. Calcium hydroxide is base and found in lime water. Potassium hydroxide is also found in soap. This soap is bathing soap, means the soap which is used in bathing. Potassium hydroxide base is used. That is KOH, potassium hydroxide. And sodium hydroxide base is used in the soap which is used to clean clothes. Potassium hydroxide is also base which is used in the soap which is used in the bathing purpose. Another base is magnesium hydroxide. Magnesium hydroxide is also known as milk of magnesia. Milk of magnesia is a medicine which is used to relieve acidity. When we suffer from acidity, some burning sensation in our chest and some abdomen pain due to indigestion. Then we take some syrup like Digene or tablet like Diazepam. This syrup is nothing but milk of magnesia. Milk of magnesia is chemically magnesium hydroxide, and magnesium hydroxide is base. So these are the base and its sources. So that's enough for the day. Thank you.